Instructions for purifying plant installation. Why Roto purifying plant? It is designed on the basis of European technical and ecological standards. It has low operation costs. It is supplied with drawings and instructions. After startup, operation of purifying plant is automatic with no additional cost. It automatically switches on vacation regime. It is suitable for water-protected areas and national parks. Roto is European manufacturer of purifying plants and with wide distribution network offering 24-hour customer service. A precondition for the delivery of the purifying plant and the building site is supported free and harmless driveway. As first, we measure the dimensions of the purifying plant. After that, we dig 10 cm deeper hole than the height of the purifying plant. The cave should be larger between 10 to 30 cm than the dimensions of the purifying plant. At the bottom of the cave, we pour sand with grain size from 4 to 16 mm. Fortify sand bath in thickness of 10 cm and slowly put the purifying plant on right position. We align purifying plant with water level and connect the outflow from the building and inflow into the purifying plant. Pipes for air should be inserted in a protective tube with diameter of 110 mm. When the purifying plant is in the cave and aligned, we start to fill tank with water and fill up the cave with sand grain size from 4 to 16 mm. We fill tank with water up to 1/4 of tank height and fill around with sand up to 1/4 of tank height. Sand around the purifying plant needs to be well fortified. Continue with water and sand filling by the quarters to the top. With filling the tank with water and outside of tank with sand, we achieve that there is a balance of internal and external forces. All chamber needs to be filled simultaneously. The last 25 cm of tank height we fill with soil, which allows smooth opening of the lid. This is approximately up to 10 cm below the lid. Fixing computer and compressor. Mark the location of holes on the wall with stencils and align them with the water level meter. Drill 3 holes in diameter of 10 mm with hand drill. Use the supplied screws to mount cabinet on the wall. Connect the compressor of purifying plant with electrical supply. Connect the black rubber hose with the compressor side solenoid valve connector. We need to install electricity and air pipes to the point where the cabinet will be located. Air pipes are mounted below the solenoid valves. Color tube must match the color of the electromagnetic valve connector. Seal the protective tube cable in which the air tubes are. With the lid, we close the cabinet and connect a purifying plant to the electrical grid. With the keys on the computer of purifying plant, set the date and time. When a screen appears on the auto manual, we confirm the auto and setup of the purifying plant with the Set key. The process of checking of all functions of water purifying plant. Pumping of water from the mud collector into aerator. Aeration in aeration pool. Pumping of treated water from purifying plant into outflow. Pumping of sludge mud from aeration pole back into the mud collector. The process of function setting for purifying plant type ECO6. Connection of purifying plant to the electricity network. Setting of aeration in aeration chamber. Pumping setting of sludge mud from separation chamber to the beginning of the process. Connecting of timer between electricity network and purifying plant. Number 1. Setting the operation of purifying plant for 2 people. Number 2. Setting the operation of purifying plant for 3 people. Number 3. Setting the operation of purifying plant for 4 people. Number 4. Setting the operation of purifying plant for 5 people. Number 8. Setting the operation of purifying plant for vacation operation.